In this Adobe Express video, I'm going to show you how to go from a black and white video and fade into a color video. So let's get going. I'm going to go back to the Adobe Express homepage. I'm going to click on create a video. And I like to, that one's fine, but I like to just go to standard and choose landscape. And here we go. I want to import my media. And basically what I have done is I've created a duplicate of the same exact movie. So all three of these movies completely identical. I've just duplicated them and given them different names just so that I can have three separate files. So a few ways to bring things into Express. You can click on add content. Now that I'm at the Finder, I can just grab these and paste and throw them on my workspace. So here I have 3 video layers. They are all the same video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the top layer. So here's how the layers, they are in order. I'm going to make this one be under effects for video. I'm going to make it grayscale. So now it looks like my entire video is grayscale. But what we're going to do is we're going to transition it. So I'm going to pull this one back to maybe here. And now it should pop from black and white to color. So if I play this, so let's add a transition. So I'm going to choose this and I'm going to go to, what am I going to edit? Where is it? There we go, animations. For out, I'm going to fade it out. And now that I've chosen it, I get this little icon for settings. I'm going to click settings and I can increase the time. So I could do it over maybe like a second. So it's a really slow transition, or fairly slow. And let's try that out. So here we go. Transition into color. The other thing that I could do, this is why I have 3 instead of just 2, is like this one, we could have maybe a little bit of a vignette in the beginning. So I'm going to choose this layer and I'm going to choose the crop tool. The roses move around, so this isn't the greatest video to use, but basically it'll show you basically what I'm thinking about. Oops, undo. Cool. So it has this little circle around it, which means the video is only going to play in this little circle. Let's move that over a bit. So now if I, well, you won't see it unless it's in the black and white thing. Okay, so I have it now so that if this video was not showing, so let's rearrange these layers. I'm going to take this layer, this middle one, and I'm going to move it above the black and white one. So now if we back up, oh, where'd it go? Bum, 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 bum. Go, position, align. Huh. Why won't you go up? This usually works. Click, drag. There we go. It was just being stubborn. Cool. So you can see already that there's this little cutout, and then it fades to color. It's kind of a funny cutout, but we'll just use our imagination. So let's say this goes a little bit longer. This is always tough keeping it the timing aligned, but let's try this. Yeah, that might not work. We'll try it. Yeah, okay, that works. As long as I don't touch them and move them around. So now I have black and white. We get this little window. It doesn't line up. Yeah, try it again. Yeah, okay. It was just like stuttering. And then same thing, we could fade this one in. So I'm going to click on it and choose animations, fade, and maybe we'll fade it in really slow. So in, oops, I faded out. Let's turn that off. It doesn't matter. It'll be color anyway. I'm just going to ignore it. So fade and then choose, and we'll fade it in slowly. Cool. So let's try that out. I'll just go back here, play, color fades in that little spotlight. Now it's not, super fancy other ways maybe to get around this, because I don't think that crop can have like a soft blur, is you could actually make a mask in another app. Yeah, I don't know. I need to think about it more, but this is one option. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.